There was a hurricane just northwest in the state of Florida. However, in South Florida, there was a hurricane of a college football game. One of the most anticipated official reviews became what should have been a touchdown play overturned to an incomplete pass for the Virginia Tech Hokies as the Miami Hurricanes slipped by the Hokies 38-34. It was an incomplete pass. That's all I can say. It's college football. It's wild. That's what Mario Cristobal told me in the post-game presser. The Hurricanes, they're the first 5-0 team this college football season, and they're 5-0 for the first time since 2017. The Hokies, they had 14 points off 3 turnovers. However, they could not complete in taking down the number 7th ranked team in the country. It was the first ACC opener for both teams, and it became an instant classic here at Hard Rock Stadium under the lights.